HMS Dragon deploys to Cyprus amid rising regional tensions. Royal Navy destroyer HMS Dragon today departed the UK to head to the eastern Mediterranean to bolster British defences in the region. The crew's loved ones joined hundreds of well-wishers lining the seawall as Dragon slipped out of Portsmouth Harbour, while last week drone-busting Wildcat helicopters departed from RNAS Yeovilton, and on Monday a Merlin Mk2 helicopter from RNAS Culdrose in Cornwall arrived in Cyprus. The Portsmouth-based warship will use her Sea Viper missile system to help safeguard UK assets and interests, assisted by Wildcats from 815 Naval Air Squadron equipped with Martlet missiles able to deal with the aerial drone threat. The decision to send the Royal Navy assets came as Iran's attacks continue to target British interests in the region, and the UK armed forces continue to adapt to the changing threats. It builds on the UK's increased defensive presence in the region in recent weeks, including deploying radar systems, air defence and F-35 stealth fighters, which are already conducting air defence sorties. Fleet Commander Vice Admiral Steve Morehouse said, "I am proud that our highly professional personnel have responded in a short time to ensure HMS Dragon and the Wildcats from 815 Naval Air Squadron are fully prepared for their mission." Based in Portsmouth and each with a crew of around 200 sailors, the Royal Navy's 6 Type 45 destroyers are the fleet's first line of defence against aerial threats, aircraft, missiles, drones, and are capable of protecting an area up to 5 times the size of Cyprus. HMS Dragon can track hundreds of targets simultaneously and eliminate them with the Sea Viper system, which can launch 8 missiles in under 10 seconds and direct up to 16 missiles onto their targets simultaneously, closing in for the kill at up to 4 times the speed of sound, maneuvering G-forces no human can endure.